Let's see how to change spool to Abu record 1700. Here I think that I need a screwdriver, so the only way how I can think of doing this is to take this left side plate. I mean to remove these screws. I'm not 100% confident, but I'm pretty sure that this is how you change the spool. But let's see if it is as weak or thin material than that 2100, because it's very... If that would get, or if that reel would be used in a sea fishing, that you would get salt water to that reel, it would corrode in, let's say, probably in hours, not in days. Okay, screws are off. Nothing happened. What next? Does this... Something is happening, but I think that I need to get this off. Or do I still need to... Maybe I need to do it from this... What? Why the brake is now this hard? Okay, I'm not sure. Let's then try to open the screws from this right hand side. Maybe it is this side and not the other side. As I told, I'm not 100% sure which way it is. Okay, it was the right hand side, but it is... Actually, this spool even looks better. It is thicker material. It has all metal gears. And this looks very much the same than those 60s ambassador spools. That is the right hand side. So this is the clicker. Somehow it's not working 100%. This is moving, should move. Yes, this is moving this worm gear. Then the actual reel is basically just one gear. So we can say that these these two are the only plastic parts in the whole reel. Everything else is metal. And this is, I'm very much positively surprised that, I don't know, is then that 2100 reel older than this one, because this spool is much better. I don't feel any uneven parts. Okay, let's see this clicker part, which way this actually was. I think that it must be this way and the clicker must touch that. Yes. But there was something that it's not working 100%. Now it is working. Now it is not working. Wow, this spins very freely. Maybe it would be nice to try to fish with this. Basically, you have completely free this spool. So, thank you for watching. I will put this back together. But this was positive surprise compared to that 2100 Sport. That was quite a disappointment. And yes, this was only $12 second hand in a flea market. So which one we will not? So one screw is missing, so let's, unless maybe we can check from if some of those screws from the other side can be left.